What's up, y'all? It's Every Penny Counts. On this video, I want to show you a cash out on Swagbucks. I got $10. Before I do that, I'm gonna show you what I do in order to get this money. It's fairly simple. My routine on this site. All right. So the first thing I do, here on the home page, they have basically the survey down here. See, they're offering a bonus, but I think a better way to get to that is really just go to answer right here. And the first thing I do is a daily poll. You'll see right there, daily poll. Y'all know how that works. Simple, one question, you get 1 point for that, which is equivalent to 1 cent. But the real money comes here in the surveys. Look, 30 minutes, you can get $3, $1.50 in bonus. You see here for limited time, they're offering a bonus. This is a bonus that they offer pretty much like randomly throughout the month, a few times each month. It's usually for like 2 days straight, and if I scroll all the way down, you'll see how many not videos, but surveys that they have. And every last survey has a bonus, all of them. So you just see here, look right there. You take an hour survey, you get $6, $6.50, and then the bonus $3 has basically like, $9.75 that you'll make $1, which is more than minimum wage, because it really just depends. But I'm not really into the super long surveys. I usually try to keep my surveys 10 to 15 minutes, which is a reasonable time. Like this 15-minute survey here, 60 Swagbucks, 30 in bonus. You know what I'm saying? These are high bonuses. Like usually when you hear about a bonus, it's usually like anywhere between like 1 to 5 cents. But look, each survey has a bonus. I'm still scrolling down, y'all. Like so many different surveys that they have. This is why Swagbucks is really, a really good site to use. Just endless amounts of surveys. You know what I'm saying? Still scrolling down, you're still seeing the bonus. Every survey has a bonus. And for whatever reason, if you don't get qualified, you will get a point for disqualification. So I'm gonna scroll all the way back up to the top and show you something else. It's important that you fill out your survey profile. You'll get paid for answering these questions. You answer 10 questions, you'll get 2 Swagbucks, which is equivalent to 2 cents. You always want to keep that updated. That way they're able to give the surveys that really, are geared towards you. So to really limit the amount of times you get disqualified. So just continue to answer those. Like every time you see it up there, like for me, I have, more questions I got to answer, but like you just keep answering. And sometimes you do 10, they got 10 more. You know what I'm saying? You do another 10, they got 10 more. So just do them until you run out. That way, when you go back to your surveys, it'll, you refresh the page, give you surveys that are more geared towards you. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so another thing I do here is I go over here to Peanut Labs. Y'all know how Peanut Labs works. Disqualifications points there as well. They're fairly quick surveys, not difficult to do. So Peanut Labs, one of the big things I do on this site. So really, I just really bang out surveys on here. They do have offers. If I go here I click on this answer and I go to the home page, you'll kind of see everything they have on the site, the things that are popular and things like that. But I'm just really into the survey on here because they have a bonus. Let me see here. So that's how that works. But yeah, this is just the home page showing you all the things they have on here. Offers, more surveys. You got videos that you can watch. I mean, I tell you guys all the time, have your videos playing in the background in a separate tab, so that way, you're getting paid to do surveys and watch videos. At the top, you can also get paid to search. They'll give you a few cents for that each time. I think you do like 1 or 2 times a day. You can actually search and get credit for it. They also have bonuses up here. Daily goal. If I get 30 Swagbucks, I get 3 cents. And with those surveys that I'm just showing you, most of them were way past 30 cents. Just because all of the bonuses. So you just do that. I think when you get 30 Swagbucks, then they'll say, okay, now you get 40 Swagbucks and get another bonus, and that bonus will be a little higher. You know what I'm saying? I don't really know when it maxes out. I think it just keeps going. Just, the more money you make, the more bonus you're going to get. So that's another thing that's just an incentive to do. All right. So I told you I'm going to show you a cash out that I did this morning. Just so you see here, today is the 19th of July, and I'm going to show you my cash out. I cashed out a $10 Visa gift card. Let me show you that real quick. It'll pop up right about now. You see here, my award purchase, $10, and I actually got it for $9.90 Swagbucks because it was on sale. Sometimes they have gift cards that are actually like on sale, like a discounted rate or whatever. So that's why I got that. And also a couple days ago was my birthday, and they gave me 55 Swagbucks. It was really cool when the site rewards you, you know, for little small things like that. You know what I'm saying? The way that it works is like whenever it's your birthday, they'll give you a bonus. Like you see, mine was 55 cents. And you have that bonus on your next cash out, but you have to use it within 30 days of your cash out. So if you're doing what I tell you and just using these sites regularly, like, you know, daily, or if not every day, every other day, then you should have no problem, you know, reaching that cash out and getting to your bonus on your birthday whenever that comes around. So just keep that in mind. Very good site. They've been around for a very long time. Now I'm going to show you some of the rewards that you can get with this site. Of course, they have things like, I'm going to go down here to redeem. They have PayPal, they have Amazon. Like I said, I just cashed out with the Visa gift card. They have lots of different restaurants. You see here the on sale rewards. These are the ones you can get for a discounted rate. Just kind of show you a little bit here. You see here I got, you know, 25 Visa gift card, $21.75 is all you got to have. You know what I'm saying? So take a look at the on sale ones. You know, the discount isn't bad. I think at the top is the most popular ones, or the featured ones. They have go down to show you more most popular. Of course, PayPal and Amazon is always at the top of that list. Right now they do have a discount on the Amazon. Look, you get 25 gift cards, $25 gift card, my bad, for 2,200 Swagbucks. So they're basically taking $3 off. That's not bad at all, because I know Amazon is very popular. They start out at $3. You can also if I go back up to the top here, show you how you can order the gift cards, you know, anything to $1 to $5, 10, 15, 25, 50, 100 and up, things like that. They have charity donations. You want to do that, you can categorize it here for electronics, you know, things, you know, of that nature. So the thing is, they have lots of different gift cards. That's the main point of this site. There'll be something on here that you like, whether it's, you know, PayPal, Amazon, a Visa gift card, a gift card to a restaurant, gas cards, whatever it is. There's something on here that you will definitely like, you'll definitely use in your life. So I just wanted to show you guys that my cash out this morning, showing you my routine. You saw all the surveys that you have the opportunity to take on here. So definitely subscribe to my channel if you're trying to make more money online. That's what I'm all about, showing you guys how to make free money online. Do these surveys, do these offers, you know, just really put in the work. You know, whatever you put in, you will, you know, get a lot out the more you put in. Just grind. That's what it's all about. You know, if you want to make money, if you want to make a lot, you know, you got to put in a lot of work, but it's well worth it. You will be rewarded for your work. Lots of opportunities. Just follow my videos, follow my tutorials, and you can cash out literally every day, just like me. You know what I'm saying? Like $5, $10, $15, $20 a day. If you're just starting out doing it, that ain't bad at all. That adds up. Me personally, I'm making anywhere between $50 to $100 a day using all of these sites that I'm showing you. So I don't really have any financial burdens. You know what I'm saying? I'm straight because I have a job, and then I have this, and, you know, my goal is to do this full time, which I'm working. I'm close to doing that, but I'm just giving it a little bit more time. So I'm just kind of showing you guys all the things that I do and that you can do. Fairly simple, not difficult at all. All right. So that's it for this video. The link to this video, to this site, is in the description. You sign up, you will get a bonus. I'm not sure how much the bonus is, but you will get something for signing up. That way you don't have to have your account start out at zero. All right. So definitely sign up with the link in the description, and always remember, every penny counts.